Step 1. Release buckles. Release all buckles by lifting thumb tabs. Detach clasps from frame. Step 2. Position brace. Position brace by sitting on a stable surface with knee bent at approximately 45 degrees. Align the center of the hinge to adjust above the patella, as shown. Reattach the straps in sequence, 1 through 4. Attach all buckles in sequence. Step 4. Final adjustment. Verify proper hinge alignment. Then, adjust strap tabs. Step 5. Varus valgus adjustment. For varus medial relief, turn the key in, left. For valgus lateral relief, turn the key out, right. Step 6. Brace comfort assessment. Once brace is applied, stand and walk a short distance to ensure comfort and proper correction. If there is any discomfort, adjust the straps as needed. If the patient experiences pain in the knee joint or leg, turn the hinge adjustment back slightly. If more relief is required, turn the hinge adjustment no more than 1/4 of a turn, as directed by your provider. Ovation Medical.